ask somebody if they want a Nerf war or not.
Hello?
Do you want a Nerf war?
Who is this?
I can't tell you many, but you can just call me Secret Agent 1.
Alright, Secret Agent 1. Wait, hold on, I'm getting another call.
Okay.
Hey, hold on, Secret Agent 1. I'm getting another phone call. Let me add him to the line. Added.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes!
Oh.
I want to have a Nerf war with you. We're already having a Nerf war.
Who are you?
I'm not telling you my name. But you can call me Waleed.
But that's my name.
I know everything about you.
It's Nerf war time. Stupid people. It's Nerf war time. Let's go!
Oh, let's play.
Yeah! No!
People, we messed up a little.
Yeah, so it's stupid agents all over, but I hope you guys remember stupid agents. I'm stupid.
No, we're sorry that we deleted our HA channel. I don't know what, oh yeah, because we got this new stupid iPad mini, but we forgot the password. I'm just kidding. I don't know what happened to our channel. So yeah.
Yeah, it kind of broke down and we couldn't see anything, so we had to.
What?
Yeah, we had to wait it out. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let's stop the video. Everybody click right here to subscribe.
Oh my god.